Hey everyone, this is Eddie from On Point Fencing and Decking. Today we're talking about marketing, specifically SEO and Google, right? So over the last 6 months, we have grown to be the #1 company locally here in Salem, all thanks to this guy right here. When we hired him back in June, we were ranked very low, and now as of today, we are ranked #1 throughout Salem. Right? As a business owner, I know we have to spend money to make money. So as we started to grow, we started setting money aside, and when it was time, we reached out to him and hired him. What we focused on was redoing our website, the SEO, and then spending money on Google Ads. So for the month of January, we did pretty well. We did almost 200 quotes throughout Salem and the surrounding areas. And then this year, we project to grow anywhere from $1.5 million to $2 million. Right? So overall, I think it's working out very, very great. I highly recommend reaching out to him if you have any questions regarding your company. Another thing we did too this year, we put a billboard up. So we will let you know here in a couple months how that does. This is new to us. Keep touch and follow us for more informative videos. Thank you.